All right, I've got Home Designer Pro 2022 trial open. I'm going to go over here to cabinet tools and create a soffit. And then if you click on it, you can see it has an indicator. When you want a slope soffit, make the soffit really skinny this way. So I'm going to open the dialog box, and the width on it, I'm going to set to 1/4 inch. And the height of it, I'm going to set to 1/4 inch. For the depth, now it's skinny, but it's still pointing this direction. Now I'm going to do a back clip cross section of this soffit. That's the only thing it's showing in this plan file. I'm going to click on it, open it, and tell it to be a slope soffit. And then you can change the angle on it by changing these input values. And when you click on it, it's still flat, but see it now, it's angled. And okay, I'm going to open that soffit, go to the materials, and change it from the default drywall material to something more appropriate. Over here and look for metal and iron. There we go. Galvanized iron. And there you have it. Now you want to make it steeper. The height at the back will make that steeper, 108 from 90 inches. Oops, well, takes a little practice to get with this. I'm going to make the front face at 48. Yeah, that'll make it steeper. But you can't just click on it and move it. You have to change the angle of it with these input boxes. Slope soffit, and bury these inputs until you get the angle that you want, and then you can move that and place it in plan view. Okay, there's that same object. Move it away from the camera so you can see it separate. Oh, that's the camera. Here's the soffit. If you zoom in really close, you'll see the pointer is going this way from the base of the soffit. Slope soffit, bury these input boxes until you get the angle you want. And that's it. Hope this helps you.